So we'll have lightning talks here, which are basically 5-minute talks. All right. From chemical plant protection to digital plant protection.
Yeah. Good afternoon. My name is Walter. I'm a beekeeper that is volunteering his time in a number of beekeeping organizations. And what is a beekeeper doing here? Well, I also spent 14 years of my life working in Silicon Valley. What I want to talk about is currently we're doing chemical plant protection. This is pretty much the dominant system. As a beekeeper, I'm not very happy about that because there's quite a bit of collateral damage, not just the typo in the slide. And one of the reasons is the pesticides used have been getting more and more toxic, where now the current generation is about 7,000 times more toxic to bees than DDT. Why is this going on? Because the industry is the chemical industry, and for somebody whose only tool is a hammer, every problem is a nail. Everybody in the industry, in the sector, thinks chemistry is the only way to protect plants. I think there are other industries that made the same mistake 20 years ago. Photography was all wet chemistry. And this is what happened to the company that didn't get the message that this can also be done digitally. So right now there's a big buzz in the farm industry. They've discovered that the digital revolution is happening, but they're essentially busy digitizing the old model, taking the big tractors, putting GPS on it. Essentially, they're busy eliminating the farmer. But some people are already working in a different direction. They see that the digital revolution can change the model completely. And there is a paradigm shift that we can use as a model that is already happening. The old model in lawn care is that I cut the lawn every 2 weeks. The lawn is this high, and I need a big tractor, a big lawnmower to get that job done. The new model is I use a robot. The robot is always there. That's essential. So the problem that the big machine here is solving doesn't even arise in the new model. There are some companies that are already working in this direction, but they come from the traditional farming sector, and what they're building is very expensive, very heavy. And if you build an expensive machine, it needs to work fast to earn its money back. I think there's a different model, and it's not just myself, but there are a whole bunch of people that are already working on this. If the machine is cheap, it can be slow. It doesn't need to be fast to earn its money back. It can actually be always on the field, just like the lawn mowing robot does. And that changes a whole bunch of parameters and makes certain problems actually solvable. There are competitions from different universities already, but they look like toy cars driving around in certain fields. We built something different. Can you start the video on here, or is this the PDF file?
This is the PDF. I don't have a video, sorry.
All right, anyway, we built a prototype. In order to get the cost down, we used bicycle technology, electric bicycle technology, in-hub motors and things like that, to build a very low-cost platform to host the intelligence on. Why not drones? Also, the farming magazines are full of stories about using drones, but drones use a whole bunch of energy to stay in the air. Once they discover something, they cannot exert force to do anything about it. So we think we need to take the technology that people are playing with in drones, put it on a stable, low-cost platform, and get rid of chemicals. I think our friends in the food hacking sector want to work with pesticide-free ingredients as well. And so if you are interested in taking this farming revolution in a whole different direction, help with the rover, help with image processing, with actors and sensors, please contact me. There's also more information on the wiki for the lightning talks. Don't try to go to the main wiki, it's been down for the whole conference, but the mirrors are working. Thank you very much.
Just a question, is the video online? So, okay, so the video can be seen using the wiki link.